The three angels' messages. A warning we can't ignore. Visuals of a starry sky and three glowing angels flying across the heavens. Have you heard the urgent warning from Revelation that could change everything? In just 60 seconds, let's uncover the powerful three angels' messages, a call from God to the entire world. The first angel's message, a call to worship. A glowing angel with a trumpet flies over a vast crowd of people looking upward. The first angel cries out, "Fear God and give him glory, because the hour of his judgment has come. Worship him who made the heavens, the earth, the sea, and the springs of water." Revelation 14:7. It's a call to worship the Creator and prepare for judgment. The second angel's message. Babylon has fallen, an angel pointing to a crumbling city labeled Babylon as it falls into ruins. The second angel declares, fallen is Babylon the Great. Revelation 14:8. This warns us about corrupt systems and false worship, urging us to leave deception behind. The third angel's message, a final warning. A fiery scene with an angel pointing to a crowd standing under God's protection, while others face judgment. Finally, the third angel warns, if anyone worships the beast or its image, they will drink the wine of God's wrath. Revelation 14:9-10. This is the ultimate call to choose God over the world's temptations. Conclusion. The urgency. The three angels flying upward, leaving a bright light behind them. These messages are a wake-up call for all humanity. The choice is ours. Will we stand with God or follow the beast? The time to decide is now. Engage now. Revelation 14:6-12. If this resonated with you, hit the like button, share this urgent message, and subscribe for more insights into the Bible's most powerful prophecies. Let us know in the comments. Are you ready to answer the call?